New year, new home. Let's get after it. Hey, VA Nation, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans powered by Stride Bank. So today, I want to talk about new year, new home. Welcome to 2026. Isn't it fun that we're finally here? I can't believe it. Do you realize my son graduates this year? Boy, when we had him, I never thought we'd get to 2026, but here we are. And you know what? It's a good time to start thinking about what changes I want to make in the new year, what things I want to do differently, what I might want to accomplish this year. And one of the things that may be on your list is a new home. And it's a great time to buy a new home because we're starting to see a few things in the market. We're starting to see rates trend down, which is a great thing. And I think we're going to continue to see that trend over the next year or so. We're going to see those trend down or at least level out. And then we're also starting to see property values kind of level out. Don't get me wrong, there's still in certain areas that they're going up because of the limited supply, but we're seeing those move up a little bit, which is huge for the first time home, or flatten out a little bit, which is huge for the first time home buyers. So that's the thing we need to think about is it a good time to buy a home? And of course, you're going to do a lot of analysis on your own. And you're going to look at your budget. You're going to look at where you want to live, how many bedrooms you need, bathrooms, cars, how many garages you want. Do you want an HOA? All the things that go along with this. Do you want a newer home, an older home? Do you want something you can fix up and put your own money into and your time and your effort and make it what you want? Or do you want something that's, boom, fresh laid, ready to go? It doesn't have to be brand new, maybe you're newly remodeled, but it's ready to go and you don't have to put a lot of time, effort, and money into, especially money. So what do you want to do? Now, here's what we see a lot of things times happen with, especially with first-time home buyers getting into the market. Paralysis by analysis. Have you guys ever heard of that saying? I have. We say it all the time. I get it. I mean, I'm looking at buying a vehicle right now. I haven't bought a vehicle in a long time. And I'm looking to buy a new one. And so far, all I've gotten is holy crap, this might not be as easy as I thought. When it traditionally is very easy. There's car lots on every street corner. You can go and find a vehicle, no problem. Just like there are mortgage companies and banks on every street corner, you can go and find a loan, no problem at all. But what do you want in that loan, and who do you want to work with is the most important thing. At National VA Loans, all of our VA specialists here, we focus solely on VA loans and have been doing them for years upon years. So, of course, you can give any of our guys a call at 855-956-4040. But paralysis by analysis, for those of you that don't know what that means, it's you've gotten so deep into it, you've looked at everything, and then you just decided, this is too much. I'm done. I don't want to do this anymore. I get it. Trust me. Been there, done it, lived it, still live it to this day. And I've been doing this kind of stuff for 25 years. So I understand. The one thing that I know that helps me a lot is I talk to someone that I can trust. I talk to someone that knows the market, whether it be the mortgage market, the car industry, no matter what it is that you might be buying. Hell, if you're just buying a new stove. I mean, you talk to people that you can count on and believe. That's where I can move from that paralysis stage and analysis stage to decision making. And maybe the decision is it's not time for me to buy a home, but very rarely is that the case. You know, a lot of people will tell you that a home is the number one best investment you can make, and I will tend to agree with that. Maybe it's not the most fruitful as far in the long run, but as far as an investment goes, building equity, things like that, home ownership is huge. Now, for you first-time homebuyers out there that are also active duty, guys, give us a call, 855-956-4040. We have some really, really cool ways to show you not only how to buy a property, but also build that property. And when I say build, I mean build a portfolio that can actually start cash flowing for you and make you money down the road. It's awesome. And we would love to explain it to you and kind of go through it a little bit more. It's 855-956-4040. The biggest thing I want to get across in this new year is that there are going to be some opportunities for us out there for our first-time home buyers, for a younger demographic to get into the market. And that's really what we need to see happen. They're building apartment complexes and all this stuff all over. I mean, especially here in Kansas City, we're seeing it everywhere. You know what they're not building a lot of is new homes. And that's scary, guys. It's scary. Homeownership is a huge part of the American dream that you fought for, and we want to make sure that you can take advantage of it. You know, National VA Loans, Stride Bank, that's what we look to do, is help all of our veterans and active duty service members out there become homeowners if they want. And least give you the right information. So it's 855-956-4040. Or check us out online at nationalvaloans.com. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel right here at youtube.com/nationalvaloans. Now, if you're like me, guys, and you just like to get things done, I love it. And it's 2026, all right? It's time to get things done. Let's get it done and get it done now. Check out nationalapplynow.com. Fill out the simple, secure Stride Home Mortgage application. It'll download right to your phone, Apple, iOS, whatever. Not iOS. That's the same thing. Apple, and what's the other one? Exactly. Who knows? So it'll download right to your phone. No problem at all. It's simple, secure, safe. You can upload your application inside of 5 minutes, and then it'll come right to your VA specialist, and one of our VA specialists will give you a call right away to go over all your different options to see what the potential of buying a home in 2026 is for you. Guys, again, it's 855-956-4040. 855-956-4040. Guys, thank you so much for your service. Thank you for all you do. Here's to a very successful and prosperous 2020 and safe. Please be safe. 2026 for all of us. Let's enjoy the year. Let's start it out with a bang. Give us a call, 855-956-4040. Until next time, thank you so much for your service. Thank you for all you do. God bless and take care of yourself.